Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today, parashot Bahar Bechukotai.
Sabbaba, here is your morning snack.
Thank you, Shashi.
But I think you are confused. Today is not Shabbat, and you are with the clothing of Shabbat, learning Torah, and not on the field working with all your workers. What's going on?
Today, according to the Torah, is the first day of the year of Shemitah, which means that we stop working the field for 1 full year.
1 full year? Huh? And what will you do the whole year?
I am going to study Torah. Another name for the Jewish people is in Hebrew Am HaSefer, the people of the book. And I am going to bring it to life throughout the year, studying the Torah.
And how we're going to feed our children, grandchildren, so many guests we have? According to logic, this cannot work.
Hashem promised us in the Torah that if we will leave the field alone on the 7th year,
And let poor people and animals enjoy it?
then He is going to give us in the 6th year enough for 3 years food.
For example, if every year they got out of the field this amount of wheat, on the 6th year they got triple the amount, so they will have enough food to eat even if they don't work.
On the 7th year. Sabbaba, and you told me this year how much abundance we had in our fields. This is amazing.
And it is so.
Thank you, Hashem. The promise of Hashem
Is all here. Children, show it to your family, friends, and teachers. They will love it.
Let's say this is earth and this is heaven.
So what does Hashem want from us? He wants us to do His mitzvot and to live in the way of the Torah. So from earth up has to come these 2 things Hashem wants from us. Then what's going to come down from heaven? Down from heaven will come abundance of rain and food and health and peace.
And many healthy, happy, beautiful babies. Hashem promised in the Torah to be close to us, to be our God, and to protect us because we are His children.
This promise is building our Star of David, Magen David.
Our Magen David is full with secrets. Just like the Shabbat, the 7th day of the week, is a blessing for the other 6 days, so is the 7th year, Shnat HaShemitah, is a blessing for the upcoming 6 years. The year of Shemitah is teaching us that as children of Hashem, we don't have to be bound to logic. Did we come out of Egypt with logic or with miracles? Did we walk for 40 years in the desert with logic or with miracles? Because God is controlling nature and above logic, we can be too, as long as we are connected to Him. Shabbat Shalom. Love you. Mwah.